Here's what I'm making today. I'm going to make Hamburger Helper. Yeah, I'm sure you're all familiar with Hamburger Helper. I split it into 2 baggies so that if I was just coming up trying to go really light, I would have, a portion for myself just like that. Or even if it's 2 people, just put it down into a baggie, put the whole thing, instead of carrying this whole big box, you can get it all into a baggies that's not going to be but half this size. I brought some pre-cooked hamburger again. It's all right there. It's still frozen, but it won't take too long to thaw it out. If you're looking for meals where you don't have much room for refrigeration, you could get the Tuna Helper one, and then you can get a can of tuna, and you wouldn't have to worry about refrigeration for any of this stuff. But today I wanted a Hamburger Helper, and I had cooler space. I'll get that dumped in there. And I don't have to worry about getting it thawed out all the way, because we're going to be simmering this for like 12 minutes with the pasta in it. Now we can add in our Hamburger Helper and seasonings. What did I get? Oh, I got a deluxe cheeseburger mac and cheese with real cheese. I don't know about the real cheese part. We need 3/4 of a cup of water. Just dump that in there. Got a little stir. Now I just have to let this simmer for 12 minutes, I believe. See, I even write the instructions of after I get it bagged. I write it all down there real good so that when you get up there, you know what you need to do with it and what it is. All right, it's been 12 minutes. Let's see how we're doing here. Okay, looks good. I'm not going to have anything with this. This is going to be plenty good for me. Let's have a taste of this. I've never had this. Well, if I did, it's been decades ago. It's pretty good. I mean, I wouldn't say it's gourmet, but when you're hungry and you're out in the woods, this stuff, I don't know, everything seems to taste better when you're out camping, I'll tell you that. So, anyway, hope you got some ideas out of this, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.